Have you ever looked at a simple drawing and wondered, how is that even possible? Welcome to Just Drawn by Genti, where a blank sheet of paper, a pencil, and a little creativity come together to create amazing drawings that seem to come to life. From impossible 3D illusions to perspective art, anime sketches, and satisfying pencil drawings, every video is designed to inspire you to create. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who simply loves watching art come together, you'll find something here. On this channel, you'll discover step-by-step drawing tutorials, amazing 3D optical illusions, 1-point and 2-point perspective drawings, anime and character sketches, creative drawing challenges, easy techniques that make your artwork look more realistic. Every drawing starts with simple lines and gradually transforms into something incredible. I believe anyone can learn to draw with patience and practice. That's why I don't just show the finished artwork. I show the entire process. You'll see every sketch, every guideline, every shading technique, and every small detail that turns a simple drawing into something that surprises people. Some drawings look like they're floating above the paper. Others create impossible optical illusions that trick your eyes. And some are simply relaxing to watch from start to finish. If you love drawing, creativity, optical illusions, anime art, and watching simple sketches become incredible works of art, subscribe to Just Drawn by Genti and join me on this creative journey. Grab your pencil, let's start drawing